Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be filming this video today. Happy New Year to everyone, and I hope this is a great year for everyone that's watching and for myself. Today I'm going to be filming an unboxing video. I'm so excited for this because this is my first time getting this, and I'm so excited to see what's in there. My friend has been raving about it, and everyone loves it, so I'm so excited to be unboxing this on camera from Boxycharm. So I'm going to be pulling each item one by one, and I'll also put it around here how much this product costs and see if it's worth it. Oh, I'm also going to be doing a one side pile of if I'll use it, and the other side is if I won't use it. So then at the end I can see how much is in each pile, and I'll determine if it's worth it for me for the next month. So everything in here I have not seen yet. I just wanted to open it on camera just to be surprised. So it's how it looks when it comes in. Super cool. It says Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz. That it comes. I like that it comes with this padding here so you can protect the products, especially eyeshadow, because I've had gotten damaged eyeshadow once. Alright, so I hope I don't butcher this company's name. I'm gonna assume, I'm so sorry again. It's called Elemis, and it's Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Moisturizer. It says Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. I love moisturizers, especially if they don't make me feel oily towards the end of the day. I have combination skin, and I have such a problem finding new moisturizer that actually doesn't make my skin so oily at the end. Oil here, my T-zones, my nose. Oh my god, my cheeks though. It's so bad. So hopefully this works, because I definitely need a new one. And I'm gonna open it for you. Alright, let's see the bottle. Oh, it's cute. It's very cute. This is how it looks. Oh, cute. It comes with this top. It's like this. That's different. And next one, oh, it's cute, is an eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow palettes. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, so cute. Breakfast in bed. Nice. Okay. So these colors I wouldn't normally use on an everyday basis, but they're very nice. I can try a look with this. So it's the colors. I really, so far looking at it, I really love this color, Pajamas. Oh, pajamas. Oh, I get it. That's funny. Okay, pajamas. Okay, it has yawning forehead kisses. Oops, yawning forehead kisses, pajamas, French doors, boo and view, messy hair, fresh face, cuddle cakes, and lazy baby right here. Super cute. I love the name. I love the palette. The only downside to this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. That's my other thing. I love palettes with mirrors, but it's not the end of the world. So cute though. I love it. I love the packaging. This is a banana powder from Ofra. So excited because I don't have any products from them. Oh, very simple. I like it. Very, very simple. White and black. See if we get it. Yeah, white and black. Let's see if it smells like banana. Oh, it does. It does smell like banana. It's very light. Nice. I love that it has a mirror. Nice. I like it. Alright, ooh, this caught my eye because of the color and the name. So, ooh, got this. What is this? Artist Couture. And it's Caliente. That's the name, Caliente. Oh my goodness. Nice. I love this packaging. These bright colors, but this will be good for the summer. Oh, spring and summer. I do like this. Look at these colors. Wow. Okay. All right. So I'm going to swatch my arm, going this way, and then like that. Okay. Oh, Fuego is really nice. Really, really nice. I did not expect that much pigment from it. I don't know where my camera stopped recording. Yikes. But what I was just saying is this just comes like this, no box. But look how nice. Oh, here it goes with the awkward position again. Super nice. I love it. These colors I don't normally use, but I'm definitely gonna try out a look with this. So I had to YouTube how to pronounce this name, which I was right originally, but you know, I second guessed myself. So it's called Boxycharm. So Boxycharm Seamless Eye Primer. A decent size, this eye primer. Definitely will be using it because I honestly use eyeshadow. Oh, which is pretty good because I can't find a good primer, and I said that in my other video. I struggle finding good primers for my oily eyelids. So this will be a good way to test this out. Let's see if it helps me. The last product that came in the box was Eloise. I'm hoping I said that right as well. I gotta stop saying that, but Eloise, pretty box, white and gold. Okay, and it's called Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. I love liquid eyeshadow. Got it open. Nice, nice. That makes me feel very bougie. To get plastic off. Okay. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, this looks like a nail polish. Look how pretty. My throat. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. I like this. This is nice. I love the packaging. I'm sold already. I like the packaging. Wow, let me swatch this. Ooh, okay. Nice. Let it focus. Yeah. Very nice. I'm gonna put some here. Ooh, it feels so. Ooh. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. I love this already. I'm definitely using this. Let me show you again. Wow. Wow. Alright, that's the end of it all. So at the end, the only thing that was on my will not use pile was this. Only because of the pigment. But you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. Maybe it's better on my eyes, so I will definitely give it a try. So the Boxycharm, especially for the eyeshadow specifically, these colors I would not normally get. So it's pretty nice to receive them, so then I can just like step out of my comfort zone of just using gold and brown. So I will definitely be trying those pink colors. I'm so excited for the Artist Couture one. Definitely will be giving basically all of it a try. The only one I'm a little hesitant about is just this palette, but besides that, I loved, like, I'm enjoying this box. Like, I enjoyed everything in this box. The total amount of the products that I received today cost, I'm gonna put it right here, somewhere right here. Forgetting about the price of these products, I will definitely be getting Boxycharm again. I'm definitely excited to see what February has, especially the month of love. I'm excited because I would have never have thought to pick up these items. I would just walk past it like, oh, that's nice, but keep going. So I'm excited to try these items. Definitely happy that I decided to give it a chance. With shout out to my friend Kiara. I want to be doing this more often. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what other boxes you'd like to see. It'll definitely help out for the next video. But until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.